575-9491. Tax Relief Advocates. Real solutions for real people.
Must qualify for enrollment. Results may vary.
Hi everybody, Scott Ennis here. For 25 years I've been voicing lovable cartoon dogs like Scooby-Doo, Astro. Hey, I love puppies and dogs. And now I get to help pets that need a voice to save their lives. That's where the Puppy Food Bank comes in. The Puppy Food Bank helps pet rescue organizations so they can feed puppies. For just $11 a month, you can save a pet's life. Go to puppyfoodbank.org now and donate, and they'll send you a nice gift. Puppy Food Bank is proudly supported by Thomas J.
What, you don't want to fucking stop? Fuck you! Fuck you! What, bro? You don't want to stop at the stop sign? Yeah, you got the stop sign. I have the right of way. You're not gonna stop, bro. What are you doing? What's your rush, bro? Yeah, whatever.
22 million
Yeah,
tons of
fuck
fish
you.
are wasted every year in fish oil production. Choose the sustainable source. Shop plant-based omega-3 now at Costco.
Oh, and you don't want to yield either, huh? To your left? God, yes.
The fuck was that?
No idea.
Seriously? Wow.
god damn. What an asshole. What an asshole. For what? A little better positioning? Couldn't wait. Tell me you got that Tundra. Tell me. That's him. You got him. I will laugh. I will laugh. That's the promise I make. I'm gonna laugh. Tundra, Tundra, Tundra. Please, the Tundra. Yeah! Yes! Take that motherfucker to jail for reckless driving. Fucking A. Holy shit, that was awesome. Fuck you, pal. Oh, that was glorious. What an asshole. I am so happy he got caught. I can't fucking tell you. I can't tell you.
The doctors at Prime Male Medical can test your testosterone. Just $99. Get a testosterone test, PSA test, Doppler ultrasound, and a full year of free visits. Prime Male Medical in San Francisco.
This is by far absolute worst reaction channel. No, not even worst reaction channel. This is the worst channel I've ever seen in my life. Shout out to my friend Whit for finding this.
I caught a fucking
accident. He goes by the name Super Brothers. Oh my god, I caught a fucking accident on camera. Too many. Like, guys, no joke. If this...
Damn. That was his fault all day.
That's what it says. Looks like. Shit. What just happened?
Woman that is the spokesman for the White House.
Oh.
Where are you going?
Oh my god. What was he doing? Boy, it took down the light.
Just check the
I know you're just as grimy, but are you as groggy as I am? You ever sleep? I'm pretty tired, McGee. But it's good for us. It's tone to the muscles. Yeah, the next tone signal. That's my muscle signing off. If it wasn't for that scalp knife you're giving me, Gilbert, sleep up. Uh-oh, here comes Molly with a hot coffee. Welcome, Mrs. McGee, welcome.